Hello there. So this video is going to be about the adding client logos. To do this, first of all, you need to produce the logo, and the size of the logo is 196 by 84 pixels. It needs to be a transparent ping, and once you've created that and saved it, that needs uploading. Now, if we upload that into the media area, so I'll take you into there now. You'll notice on the left hand side here we have a number of folders. You need to go into logos, which is where all of the client logos are, and add new. So in here we'll select files. We'll go along. I've already made one. It's the caged fish logo. I'll open that, and that drops in there. So that's uploaded into the correct area. Now what we need to do is add it into the slider. This is done in Appearance and Widgets. So if we go into Appearance and Widgets, you'll notice in here we have a single product page widget area. Click into that, and we have auto scrolling images, companies we've worked for. Click into that, and then if we scroll all the way down, we can add one. So in here, if we've added one, we need to expand that and then choose the file which we've just added. Then that, we need to save all of that the same. So if we now save that, and to be able to see it, we need to go up and on the Lightspeed cache purge all. So now that should be on the front page over here, and it should appear in here if we refresh. Now it will take a while because there's over 50 images in there. I'd already put one in on the first one just to show you. So if we go into here again, into auto scrolling images, and go into image one, I'd already put one in here. So if I go and put in the one that should have been there, scroll down, save, and then do the purge all. Now theoretically, if I go in and refresh that, that is now back to Acqui de Parma. And that's that basically. That's how you add a client logo. Hopefully you're able to create the logo at 196 by 84 pixels and save it as a ping, transparent ping. Yes, that's that.